Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today we're going to be talking about all the wonderful items that are on my makeup wish list and that I can't afford, sadly. But you know, I just kind of wanted to make this video to share with you guys some products that I really want, and I kind of can't afford them right now, mainly because like I just moved and I'm not trying to spend money on things that I feel like I don't need. So these aren't needs, obviously, they're just things that I would like to have, just like all of us have things that we would like to have. So I just thought, why not, let me share it with you guys. There's some really fun products in here, and you know, I really would like to have them at some point. And I think a lot of these I will end up buying, but slowly, you know, not like full force like I usually try to do. So if you want to see what these products are, then stay tuned. If you can relate to being broke and not being able to afford some makeup, then stay tuned. So yeah, but before all of that occurs, of course, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these types of videos. Let's get started. So I have a list here. It's quite extensive, and for all of these products, because I obviously don't own them, I will post up a picture somewhere here or there. You will see a picture of it. So let's jump into this list. The first item on this list that I really want is the KKW Classic Collection. Now, at first, I really wasn't gonna get the this collection because I was like, it looks basic, like just another nudes collection. But then I saw Alyssa Ashley's review on the collection, and she really made me want it. So even if I don't buy the entire thing, I think I will definitely get at least 2 of the lipsticks and the eyeshadow palette, maybe 1 of the lip liners. Not sure on the lip liners yet, but definitely the last 2 lipstick, I think it's called Peach 3, Peach 4, and the eyeshadow palette, Alyssa sold me on them, and KKW, y'all should pay her for that. Next is going to be the Kylie Cosmetics 21st birthday collection. Now, I haven't bought anything from Kylie Cosmetics in a while, actually. I think, honestly, in like over a year, since last summer when I did my swatch video for them was the last time I purchased anything from them. And since then, really nothing has like caught my attention from the brand. I felt like it's always just been like, it's cute, I guess, whatever. But this 21st birthday collection, I want it all. Not just like the eyeshadow palette or the lip one. I don't know why. I want the entire thing. I'm sold on the packaging. It's so gorgeous. As you guys will see in the pictures, like this is like the most beautiful packaging Kylie has ever come out with. And on top of that, I always buy her birthday lip kit. Like I have the one from when she turned 19, which I think was called Leo. I have the 20th birthday one, which was called 20, I believe. And now that this is her 21st, I feel like I want the entire thing. Like I think the eyeshadow palette finally looks really good. There's a lot of really nice colors in there. I like all the lip shades, and I really think that they would all work on my skin tone, funny enough, because that's not always the case with Kylie's collections. And the highlighter I also think would look good on me. The makeup bag is cute, but mainly I just want the packaging. Like, can I just buy the packaging, Kylie? Don't need all those new makeup products, but I really want the packaging. So that's just that. If you agree, comment down below. Please let me know what you think about this collection and honestly any of the products that I am mentioning today. Another thing that I want is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation that they're coming out with, which is in 45 shades. This is the collaboration they're doing with Alyssa Ashley. For some reason, I kind of thought this foundation was out already, but it is not. This is definitely one of those products that you guys can count on me getting and reviewing for you guys, because with such a wide shade range, I am definitely trying to support NYX and this wave. You know what I mean? I'm here for this. I do hope though that all of these shades will be available in stores. Sometimes with drugstores, when they come out with a lot of shades, only a few are available in stores, which then makes it very difficult to pick your shade, especially with so many. Next, we're moving on to ABH. I really want the Norvina palette. I think it looks really gorgeous. That top row of shimmers is calling my name. I want it really bad, and you can't stop me. With the ABH palettes though, I have learned over the years that they definitely tend to go on sale, especially at like Macy's or Ulta, which is why I'm waiting on this palette and I haven't even tried to purchase it at all, is because I know it's gonna go on sale, and if I can save some money, I will. And I think you all would agree with me. I also want the Dream Highlight Glow Kit thing that they're coming out with, or came out with. Do I need it? No. Do I want it? Yes. It's just one of those palettes I think looks really cute, and I could do some fun, whimsical looks for you guys for my channel, not really to wear out in the streets, but mainly I want it for my channel just to up my game a little bit more. Another thing from ABH that I want is their liquid highlighters. They extended the shade range for them, and there's two of them that I want, which is Penny and the rose gold one. I think those would look really good on me, and I'm happy that they extended it more for like deeper skin tones. So I see you, ABH. Keep doing your thing. And lastly, from ABH, I really want that violet liquid lipsticks, but that's mainly because I love blue and purple liquid lips. I think they look really good on me. I love bold lips. Like the green one, I think I wore once, and you guys really like that on my channel. So I really want that lipstick. I think it would look so good on me, guys. Can you agree? But moving on, Nikki Tutorials really sold me on this. I want that Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation, the new one that they just came out with. And then I also saw on Trend Mood's page, girl, what's up Trend Mood, that they also have a matching concealer. So guess what? I want both of them per usual. I think this foundation has a pretty decent shade range, so that's kind of why I want it. Nowadays, I'm only buying foundations that have decent shade ranges, because if you're not doing that in 2018, like where are you? What are you doing even? So yeah. Moving on, I really want the Tatcha Rice Polish. I thought that they're coming out with a few different kinds for different skin types, and I think the one that would work for my skin type is the deep cleansing one. So I really want that just because I want it. And Tatcha skincare products tend to be really good. They're really expensive, but they're really good, you know? Next, I want these ColouredRaine Vivid Pigment eyeshadows. They look bomb, and the looks that people have been creating with these are absolutely gorgeous. I feel like if I buy these, I never need to buy another like bright colored eyeshadow ever again in my entire life. But then at the same token, I really want the new Stila Cosmetics Vibrant Shades, like glitter metal things that they have, because I feel like while the ColouredRaine ones are all mattes, these are all shimmers, and they would go really well together. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah, that's just me. Next, I really want that one lipstick from the Dose of Colors and I Love Sarahi collaboration called Freza. Don't know how to say it, but you guys know that color. It's that really bright red tangerine looking color that everybody's been rocking and looking amazing in. I really want it. But that's the whole theme of this whole video, is what I really want. Next, I want this Kevyn Aucoin Contour Book, the volume 3. For this one, I'm a little on the fence. It's like I want it because it looks nice, but I don't know if I should just buy the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder and call it a day, because this one is like $59, and I have a feeling I won't use about like half of the things in there. So there's that. That one I probably won't get at all. Then there's the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. I'm here for anything that says matte in it, because you know, oily skin people here, I want anything that says matte, and that is definitely one of them. This shade range is very good, and I'm excited to try this one out. Then I want the ColourPop primer and setting sprays, just because everything else from the ColourPop No Filter line has been really good to me, and I kind of feel like the primer and setting sprays will be as well, so I really want to try those out. I think I am actually gonna buy those very soon, but I just included them in this list just because they have been on my mind for some time, and I do want them. Next, I really want the new Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. I don't even know why I want this. It just looks really, really good, and it looks like my lashes would just like look good with it because I don't wear falsies that much, so I do really like to buy mascaras, and I think that this one could be good. I don't know, I just want to try it. Next I have the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpt Concealer, the new thicker one that they have, not the old Born This Way concealer, because I have that. It looks really, really good. Full coverage, which is a must. Everybody's been like obsessed with it, so I really want to try it out myself. And lastly, I think, yes, the last item on this list is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volt collection. I know that there has been some drama around that with them, you know, saying, hey, we gotta redo this, something went wrong with our formula. But for me, I think that's such a big move for the brand to know that they're losing so much money and still care about what we think. So I'm here for it, and I still want to get it when it comes out. Now that I've rambled your ear off, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to like vamp out some products that I wanted, you know. I feel like a lot of us feel this way. Those of us who love makeup, but you know, our wallets don't love that we love makeup, if you catch my drift. So yeah, that's really it. If you guys have any of these products and you like them or don't like them, please let me know so I don't go wasting my money. That's gonna be it for today. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.